what is bhajan is when you have Swarup Siddhi, when you do bhajan. My Gurudev Vaman Maharaj used to say, people say bhajan, bhajan sadhan. So we should say sadhan bhajan. Because of no, we cannot process to sadhan from bhajan. So they used to say bhajan sadhan. But actually, my Gurudev used to say it should be sadhan bhajan. With our material senses, what we do is like kirtan and archan and shravan, so that our anartha nivritis go far away. Then after clearing the anathas, then we have Suddha Sattva. Then we can process further in our bhajan. In our anath, when we have anath, we are not actually doing bhajan. It's just the shadow of bhajan. Until we don't have bhav manifested in our heart, very careful. We have to practice sadhan very carefully to purify our heart. Then all the limbs of the bhajan, of the limbs of bhakti that we are following, to clear, to purify our heart. There, that Sambit and Sahaladini manifest in our heart, and then our heart. Then we have one particular mood in our heart, and meditating on that one particular mood of a Brajvasi, then we move forward into Nitya Siddhas Bhav. Who are Nitya Siddhas, we try and manifest that mood in our heart. That is called sadhan. After that, then it comes Bhav Bhakti, Prema Bhakti, Ruchi. That are all the stages of the after Bhav. After Bhav comes the Prema Sachi, Sadhan Bhakti, Bhav Bhakti, Prema Bhakti. Prabhupada is saying, after that, Archan, Bhajan. One is Archan and one is Bhajan. In Archan Marg, when we do Archan Marg, that is a Vidhi Marg. That is very important that a sadhak follows Archan Marg and the Vedic. Bhaktivinoda Thakur is written, when you are initially you are following Archan Marg, and then when you have the association, when you have association of a Rasik Vaishnava, then a greed arises in your heart that we want a Vraj Bhav, that greed arises in our heart that we want to follow one of the Vrajvasis and have that mood. Then that is called Rag Marg. It's a Vidhi Marg. So first we follow, so from the Vedic Marg, Vidhi Marg, we follow, get a Rag Marg. First we have to do Archan Marg. Another name for Archan Marg is Vidhi Marg. Our Jiva Goswami in Archanam Kunja Sevanam. Mahabhagavad, who is reached at a high level, that is called a Kunja Seva. Nikunja. That is a very high level. But why? in simple way, Arjan. The Shastra says Sadharan or Visha. One is Sadharan Vishas, Sadharan, and one is Vishachat. So they, by doing Archan with the Shraddhan and Vishay, where there is Uttam Bhagavad, that is Archan. When Uttam Bhagavad does Archan, he is doing the high level Archan. When the sannyasi was doing part in the Archan Vedic Mark, Archan Mark, so he was speaking about Archan Mark, because Archan, we have to do Vedic Mark. If we don't follow the rules and regulations, Archman, like when we do Archan, we have to do Archman first. Then we clean our body and mind and Atma. That is Archan. So then he started to process from Archan, and he spoke very well. And he said, who? And he said, Pramod Puri Maharaj. So the sannyasi said, our Pramod Puri Maharaj, he's excellent in that. He's expert in doing Archan. Wherever there is Archan, Vedi, like where there is to install mandir deities or install the chakra in the temple, he was the topmost in doing that seva. So that in Katha, there was a Sishya of Pramod Puri Maharaj who was sitting there, and he got disturbed, the disciple. So he said, Archan Mark is a Vedi Mark. So the disciple of Pramod Puri Maharaj, they got a little bit disturbed. Who keeps, it's a what, also in Archan, who keeps a ruchi is a Kanista Adhikari. So if we really go deeply into Archan, like Kanista have more ruchi in Archan, in Madhyam have more ruchi in Shastra, and the Uttam is completely absorbed in Asta Kalya Leela. There are three: Kanista Adhikari, Madhyam Adhikari, Uttam Adhikari. The Kanista Adhikari Archan, like they do Archan Puja. When the Madhyam Shastra Gyan, Prema, the symptom of Madhyam Adhikari, Ishwarya. And the Madhyam, Uttam Bhagavad. Uttam Bhagavad is completely absorbed all the time in seva of Radha and Krishna. He sees everywhere. He sees everywhere Krishna. Wherever he sees a river, he thinks it's Kalindi, Yamuna. Wherever there is something in connection to Krishna, he just gets absorbed in bhav. Sometimes he's laughing, sometimes he's crying. That is called Premi Bhakt. So what happened, this disciple, the disciple of Pramod, because he thought Archan Mark is Kanista Adhikari. So he thought, oh, my Gurudev is Kanista Adhikari. So, so he kept an interest. But the disciple, according to his adhikari, he started to speculate. He started to understand that, oh, my Gurudev is doing archan, so he's a kanista adhikari. So here, everybody sitting here who's listening to katha, but according to their adhikari, they will understand the katha. Adhikari are not even called, they don't even have symbols of bhakti. Bhakti Vinod Thakur has separated the Kanista Aste. Bhakti is very far, they are not even got a shadow of Bhakti. When in Mathura we were doing this part,
बहुत सुंदर है तब ये लोग इनकी से मैं पता नहीं किसे नाम दीक्षा लेके नहीं लिया ये लोग आते थे मैं नीचे जो है
used to come in Mathura and I used to give katha in the ground floor in my room. They used to come and see Premananda Prabhu as well. And then they used to meet Gurudev. I remember many kathas. They were very intelligent. I was foolish. They used to listen and they used to love and affection. They are bada. See, look at it, our Guru Varga is sitting on the ground. They used to, don't know him, Madhupriya Prabhuji, and they used to come. And some Bhakta used to come. Bas, if I find two people, then I start katha. My kathas are not 1 or 2 minutes. I get mic and I will carry on for 2 hours. In Alannath, Sridhar Maharaj gave me the mic and my... And then my started my katha, and then Sridhar Maharaj said, oh, we have to go now. So they used to come to Madhu. Kanista Adhikar Abbas. They are Kanista Adhikar Abbas. They don't even have Abbas. So that Shishya, the disciple, thought, that's not a Kanista, is not even a Bhakta Abhyas. Disturb ho gaya. And then his mind got disturbed and he left that place. And then he went to his Gurudev, played pranam to his Gurudev and said, Gurudev, he mentioned that name of the sannyasi and said that so sannyasi said that you are a Kanista Adhikari. So that's why I'm just saying, please understand, and I don't want to do any aparadha Krishna. So the disciple said, Gurudev, so-and-so sannyasi said, I was listening to his Harikatha, and he said that you are a Kanista Adhikari Vaishnava. Pramod Puri Maharaj put Hari Bol, Hari Bol. He put the malas upon his head and he said, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. He used to put, he had a beautiful head and he put his malas upon his head and said, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. How humble. So he said to the disciple, why? My mind got disturbed. So Vaishnava, he didn't say Kanista Vaishnava. He said, you are Kanista Vaishnava. Bol, Hari Bol. Oh, he was so happy. Why? Because he said, he said, oh my God, so humble. He said that even in this life I will be Vaishnava. But he said now at least one Vaishnava has said that I am he's put he's
हैं?
entered my name on the
इस
list
जन्म में
as in this life
उन्होंने तो
as
मुझे बोला कनिष्ठ
Kanishta
वैष्णव।
Vaishnav. At least he said that I'm a
कितना
Vaishnav.
सुंदर है।
So
मैं
beautiful.
जीवन में सोचा नहीं,
In
ये
my
मेरा
life,
है।
I never even
फिर
thought that
उन्होंने
I'm a
मेरा
Vaishnav.
नाम
He's,
उसकी तालिका में लिखा,
like,
बताइए।
he's put the name down saying that
इस
I'm
जन्म
a
में
Kanishta
और
Vaishnav.
इस जन्म में
In my
क्या बोलो?
next life, I
मतलब
will
वो
be,
कहीं-
maybe I'll be
फिर
very
अपने जन्म में
Madhyam
किसी
Vaishnav,
वैष्णव उत्तम
and then following I'll be Vande Madhyam. That is very nice.
इतना सुंदर उनके फिर समझा देखो
He, how beautifully he explained that to the disciple. So much humility.
नाद भी सुनी तरुव सहिष्णुता सहिष्णुना अमानिनो मानदेनो
Trina
कीर्तनीय
Napisana, Nina Amalina, Kirtaniya Sadahari. All the disciples. I've seen many disciples of Pramod Puri Maharaj's disciples.
सर्वत्र भी जाता है।
But in the world also.
मैं
I've
साउथ
seen
अफ्रीका में जाता हूँ,
when I went to South Africa, I see
2-3 साल गए नहीं, अभी जा रहा हूँ।
the past 2 years I
वहीं
haven't
पर
been,
भी
now I'm
बुधन
going to.
महाराज हमारे साथ भी मिलते रहे।
There also
उनके
Bodhai
साथ भी
Maharaj
कई बार,
used to meet sometimes.
2-3 बार तो उनके साथ भी मैंने एक ही
Also
साथ में
there,
बैठ करके
we sat together.
और उनका
Yes,
भी
Gurudev.
पूरी को समझ हम लोग दोनों एक ही साथ में जो है फिर मिल
We
जाते
used
थे
to
एक
we
जगह में
sometimes meet together, Bodhai Maharaj and
उन्होंने भी कथा
myself.
सुनाया
Also
गुरुदेव
he-
की कथा गुरुदेव की कथा
He also used to keep
तो उन्होंने
I used to
उनको भी
hear
देखा कितने
katha from him
दीन
of his
हीन थे।
Gurudev. Also I heard his deen,
प्रभु जी भी
so
कैसे हैं?
humble.
मैं
Now
तो
look at
बार
this
कई बार
Prabhuji
उन्होंने
also.
insist किया,
Prabhuji is so
एक दूसरे
humble.
से समझो।
I've also requested him take many times take
इसलिए यहाँ
sannyas.
से वो हमारे क्या बोले क्या नाम है तुम्हारा?
Siddhanti Maharaj. Siddhanti Maharaj.
कृष्ण अरे प्रभु तो वो तो किसी को से इनको मैं पटा नहीं पाया अभी ये तो सिद्धांत कृष्ण जी तो
He's so Trinada
अंदर में
Pisuddhi.
सन्यास है सन्यास
He's inside sannyas.
बाहर तो ब्रह्मचारी के रूप में
Externally he's brahmachari, but really inside he's sannyas.
त्रिनाद भी सुनीच
Trinada
क्योंकि महाप्रभु
Pisuddhi.
की शिक्षा क्या है
What is the
Mahaprabhu
siksha
जितने
of
शिक्षा दिया,
Mahaprabhu?
नाम संकीर्तन में प्रणाली भी बताया
Even he's given us
Process
the
भी
process of Nam
नाम
Kirtan.
संकीर्तन के प्रोसेस
Nam,
क्या है
what
एक ही
is
प्रोसेस
the
है
process? Is
त्रिनाद
the
भी
Trinada Pisna Arunaya
Amasna
Amasna Amanina Manadina Kirtanaya Sadahari.
इसलिए हम ऐसे से महान
That's why
भक्त
this elevated Vaishnava we should have. We are very fortunate to have darshan of such elevated Vaishnavas. Here from 16th of March there will
मुझे
be.
कुछ अवसर मिलेगा
I am very
ये आशा
fortunate
भावना लेकर के
that
मैं भी
I will have opportunity to give
राम
Bhagavad
देता
Katha
आज मथुरा
from
में
16th of March.
मंदिर में भी
Today I'm going to Mathura and the Bhagavad Katha.
इसलिए
This will be the
अधिक
first
समय
day
नहीं लेकर
of
के
Bhagavad Katha in Mathura.
थोड़ा जलपान करके मैं चलता हूँ
So I will have some jalpan and then go to Mathura.
आयोजन किया भागवत का और सारे प्रसाद वगैरह का भी उन सबको भी धन्यवाद करना।
ठंडा
And also Dandavad Pranam to all the Priti. I will never be able to pay the debt to Priti Didi. I've known her for few years. She's also come from Navadi Parikrama. I've been to her house. Once I went to her house, I was very,
मैं तो
very,
बिल्कुल
I had so much temperature when I last went to Priti Didi's
मेरे
house.
कोई ये नहीं है क्या
I was
दीदी ने जो है
fainting
और
and then
पूरा
Didi,
शरीर से इतना पसीना पसीना मेरा जो है,
yes, and then Didi, she
ये सब
wiped all
उन्होंने
the
मुझे
chadar.
बहुत
She served me so much,
और
she gave me
इसने
medicine.
अपने बेटा के भांति मैं तो लेट नहीं पाता वो दवाई लेकर के मुंह के
I was very, very not in good health. I will never be able to pay the debts to
वो
her.
मेरे पास रही
She
और
stayed
मेरे
with me
माँ के भांति
like a mother. She
दीदी के
served
भांति
me
बहन के
like
भांति
the
जैसे
Didi
कि
and
वो
like sister
उन्होंने देखी
or
मैंने
like a
उसको
mother.
उठाया और मैं कैसे गिर जाता था
I was just
और
fainting,
फिर
but
मुझे
she used
वो
to
क्या बोले
get,
दवाई
then
ऐसी बोल
gave
रहा
me
था।
some medicine.
मैं क्या बोल रहा था
But
उसके बाद में
I was
बता
so
रहा था
weak
कि
and I was just fainting.
हैं?
And she
ऐसे
served me
दवाई
very
दिया
nicely.
फिर दूसरे दिन उठे गए
And I gave,
ठीक हो
she
गया
gave me next
और
day.
उसमें चले गए
I was
क्या बोले
fine.
रमन बिहारी गौड़ी
And then I went to Raman
मटना
Bihari
उस
Gowda.
दिन वो भी कथा थी इसमें
Yeah.